Thoughts of sun on sand dunes, where our seabirds flew. This was our season, we said it couldn't end, but my love, with the rain. Thoughts of leaves in autumn, falling from the tree. Thoughts of rising treetops, leading to the sea. This was our season, no lies and no pretend, but my love, with the rain. Thoughts of springtime rainfall, touching flowers that bend. Thoughts of wind in willows, days that never end. This was our season, we said it couldn't end, with my love, with the rain. Rain's the way you move now, sun the way you see, flowers the leaves the way you wonder, flowers the way you dream. This was our season, but sorrow waited round the bend for my love.
God made the world. God made you. God made me too. God made the stars. God made the moon. God made the earth too. God made everything, but God is still creative. God makes me glad. God makes me glad. God made the sea. God made the land. I'm glad God made me. 'Cause I love the stars, and I love the moon, and I love the earth too. And I love the God that made all these things. He made me love him because he loved me.